If you've been on WhatsApp recently and seen a giant animated sticker take over your whole screen, you weren't imagining it. It's not a bug, it's not an exploit, it's a real beta feature and people are already using it for harm. Here's what's actually happening. WhatsApp has quietly rolled out a new sticker format called .-was. It uses Lottie animations instead of WebP, which is why these stickers can break out of the normal sticker box and render at almost full screen. Now, if you're wondering, can I get this? Probably not yet, and you'll need to pay for it. WhatsApp Plus, the paid subscription, is required. Even then, it's a phased beta, and iPhone users miss some of the more elaborate animations. But here's where it gets concerning. People are already abusing this format. Trolls are pushing pornographic images as full-screen stickers. Users with visual sensitivities are reporting panic attacks and jump scares. And critically, there's no off switch in the settings. And it gets worse. Open source projects on GitHub now let anyone with basic node skills build a custom .-was sticker that takes over someone's screen with any image they choose. Meta has started clamping down, but slowly. So what's the bottom line? A fun feature with a real harm problem. If you got it, use it sparingly. If a stranger sends you one, block the number. And Meta, please add an off switch.